Good morning children, this is 4th class maths. Today we are going to complete S4 solving problems in block 22. See children, today we are going to solve problems relating to the area and perimeter. Once again, let us see how to find area and perimeter. Example 1, I taken as perimeter 12 centimeter. So these are the combinations of different measurements children. Here 4 centimeter, length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. This length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. What will you do children for finding perimeter? You have to add all the sides of the given shape. Okay. Now area. How will you find the area? You will count the boxes. This part is called the area. So 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter means here 4 columns. 2 centimeter means 2 rows. You draw like this children. So what is the area? You will count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 square units is the area. What is the perimeter of this shape children? Perimeter is 12 centimeter and area is 8 square units. This example 2. Here I taken perimeter as 16 centimeter. Okay. Four centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. This is the perimeter. What will you do for perimeter? You will add all sides of the shape. Now we will find area. How will you find the area? Here 4 centimeter means 4 columns. 4 length is 4 centimeter means 4 columns. Breadth is 4 centimeter. So you have to draw 4 rows. So what is the area children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 square units. See what you observe children here. Here perimeter is 16 centimeter. Area also you got 16 square units. Sometimes it will be area and perimeter will be same. Children, this is another example. Here you are given 12 toothpicks to make a farm fence. What is the largest area you can form? What is the question children? You are given 12 toothpicks to make a farm fence. What is the largest area you can form? This sum will solve with the help of 4 steps. As you know children, what are the 4 steps? Understand, plan, solve, look back method. Children, so in first step, understand. In understand column, what you write, what it is, information is given in the question, you write. What you understand from the question? 12 toothpicks are given to make a fence. The perimeter is 12. Using 12 toothpicks, we need to find the largest area. Okay. Next, plan. What will we have to do? Plan. What will do plan children? We will find the area of farm which can be formed using 12 picks. Okay. Now and then find largest possible areas. Solve. Next solve. Perimeter is 12. We know the perimeter is 12. Now next what we will do children? Side of the forms can be, we will form a different forms of perimeters. Children, now these are the different combination of the perimeter. Here a perimeter taken 12 centimeter. First we are taken 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3 centimeter, 3 is 12 centimeter. What is the area children here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 square units. Here second one. Perimeter is 12, but here 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So perimeter is 12. What is the area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 square units. So now third one. Perimeter is 12. Area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 square units. Now here 2, 4, 2, 4. Perimeter is 12. Area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 square units. Then here 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Perimeter is 12. Area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square centimeter. Like this, I made different perimeter with the help of different combinations. Perimeter is 12. Combinations are different. See children, here check the areas here. Which is the largest area? These are the areas. So which is the largest area children? 9, here 5, here 8, 8, 5. Here 9 is the largest area. Children, these are the 5 different combinations of perimeter and area. Here this is the largest area. Now I shown it on graph paper. Next, last step, look back. The form formed using 12 toothpicks can be formed 5 ways. But the form in the square shape will have the larger area. Okay children, what you understand from the square? We made different 5 combinations of area and perimeter. From that, what you understand children? Shape of square will have the larger area. Shape of square. Okay. I hope you understood. Now open your workbook. We'll do workbook exercise. Write date 15/2/2021. S4. Solving problems. First question. Draw a square having side as 5 cm on a square paper and find its perimeter and area. What is the largest area you can form with this perimeter? Okay children, I draw here 5 cm of square. Now this is a square paper. On square paper we have to draw here 5 cm square. First you have to follow 4 steps. That is, which are the 4 steps children? Understand, plan, solve, look back method. Understand. In understand, first step, what you will write children? What information if you want given or you understood, that you have to write in the understand column. I'll write draw a square 5 centimeter. Then find area and perimeter and find the largest area from perimeter. So it is the understand column. Next, plan. What will plan children here? We'll draw a square of 5 centimeter, perimeter of all sides you have to find. Then area, how we'll find the area? That you have to write clearly in the plan.
1.
See children, area, count number of square boxes, make different combinations with the perimeter to find the largest area. See children, we in example I showed on board, we made different combinations of with the 16. Now here 25 is there, perimeter is 25 20 here. So with the 20 perimeter you have to make first different combinations of area. First I'll show you. First combination 8 2 8 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, and area will be 16. Now second one 7 3 7 3. Perimeter is, if you take these combinations, perimeter is 20 and area, what you will get children, area will be 21. Third one 6 4 6 4. If we take 6 4 6 4, this combination area will be, get 24. Next fourth one 9 1 9 1. What you will get children, area will be 9. Fifth one same, this 5 5 5 5. If we take this combination 5 5 5, what you will get, area will be 25. So which is the highest in this? 25 highest. 25 is the highest area. Now solve. In solve, first you have to draw a square of 5 centimeter. Here already I draw children. Next you have to find the perimeter. How will find? You have to add all sides. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. How much children? Perimeter is here 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. Then area. For area, what you will do? Side into side, or you can take 4 into side. What is the formula of square area? Formula or 4 into side. So
1.
see children, yes, sorry, small mistake, it was side into side is the area. So now 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter is equal to 5 pies are 25 square centimeter is the answer. Okay, now last look back. Check all the possible shape with a formula. Okay children, here we already checked with all the different combination of with perimeter. So we got different area is different. Then 25 is the highest square area. That means square, if we having square, we'll get the highest square area. Okay children, I hope you understood. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.